All right, so with this thought process I'm about to have with y'all, I'm about to go so far out that I don't even really honestly know if I can properly explain myself. But there might be some credit that I'm going to give you people out there who say space doesn't exist, planets outside of ours don't exist, all of this stuff like this. It's a very strange revelation to come across, but all I can do is go with the facts that's presented in front of me and base decisions off of that going forward. If facts change in the future, then of course ideas are subject to change. But as of right now, this is where all this is coming from. So they've been looking at black holes recently, and they've made an amazing discovery, and they're trying to figure it out. These are scientists around the world. These are physicists and theorists around the world. And it's not just a small corner of them. Like, this is really, the scientific community is looking at this. Now, myself personally, I'm not an physicist of any kind. So you can't take anything that I say seriously, but this is just how I'm looking at this based off of these newest findings. So they are saying that certain particles in a black hole, while they are in a black hole, are 2D, two-dimensional. Upon exiting the black hole, they become three-dimensional. So as a result of this transformation that's happening with these particles, they are saying that our entire existence very well could be digital because of this behavior of these particles that seems to only happen when it comes to, again, digital worlds. Now, I'm not a computer programmer, and I'm not a physicist, so I can't connect the dots. I don't know exactly how the science got to this point, but the point is, this is where science is at. So, when you take into the account that the black holes are all throughout the universe, then you can only assume that it's not just our reality here on Earth or anything close in relation to us is fake. It's that the entire, and this is where I'm taking it, the entire universe, the entire observable, knowable, huge universe, it's all digital, not just a piece of it. The entire thing is virtual. So, in a sense, with this theory and with this thought process, in a sense, a small sense, everything is fake. But if we are in an entire digital existence, then yes, Mars technically is fake, but it's within our world, so we can go there, we can live there. There's physics there, there's science there, there's the realm of everything that we've all ever known that consists of anything we've ever known. It all is relevant anywhere we go. So it does take 90 years to get to Pluto because it's that far out. Jupiter is that big. Gases are that amazing. Supernovas are real. Nebulas are real. All of that stuff is real within the digital world. You can go to space. Space is real in a sense when it comes to in relations to our digital existence. So on one end, it's all fake, and it's very well possible that black holes are the Ethernet cable and they are the ones pumping all of this into existence. That's where all of the code is coming from, is through these black holes, and it is populating our entire universe, our entire existence. So it is fake, but at the same time, it is very real when it comes to everything inside of it. So all the rules apply, but at the same time, no rules apply. I don't know if you're following this. I don't know if you're connecting to me on this, but it's the only way to look at it if they are saying that for whatever reason, black holes, amongst many other experiments that they have done, if they are saying indeed that our existence is digital, then it's everything. There's not something, like a ferment or whatever over Earth, and it's just tricking all of us. And when you look up into space, like it's really a dome. No. If part of it is fake, then all of it is fake, all of it. But we can still treat it as real because it is our existence. It is our digital world. It is our digital universe. So it's all out there. It's all out there for us to see, touch, smell, live, experience. We just have to figure out, like we've always done, is how to get there. But the problem is we're still inside of a video game, in a sense. And here's another way to kind of break it down. There have been tests that they have done that shows that some things just don't populate until there is a need for it to be there. It's kind of the sense of, if a tree falls in the forest, can you hear it? Well, according to the way that a computer program works, no, you would not, because there's no need for it to make sound, so it keeps the system running efficiently. It's like, again, in a game, there's a hallway with 10 doors, and behind the doors there's nothing behind them until there is the intent to go into that door. And then once that is established in the digital world, then that room will populate with whatever it's programmed to populate with. And the reason that it doesn't populate until the intent is there is to keep the system running smoothly, so there's no glitches, so there's not unnecessary energy being spent towards populating a room that's never even going to be opened. There's been a few scientific experiments that shows this exact same type of behavior in the world of physics. Answers don't present themselves until the question is asked in its proper context, when in reality, the answer should always be there, and we just have to find a way to get it. But they are literally saying that the answer doesn't present itself until the question is asked in its proper context. And that does behave like a computer program. It's all very strange. It's all very fascinating. And today I'm going to give you firmament people a little bit more credit than I did yesterday. But I'm going to take it even farther, because that's what I do. If a little bit of it is fake, then it is all fake. They're not just pulling the wool over our eyes. They're part of this program as well. They might not know it. So maybe they are pulling the wool over Earth's eyes, our human beings' eyes, as the beings that they are. But they are still part of this overall computer simulation. Whether or not they know it, who knows? Probably not. But who knows? And that's where I'm at right now. Y'all let me know what y'all think, as usual.